My lesson is non-proportional linear relationships or linear equations. The established goal for the students is that they should be able to use various representations to model non-proportional situations, real-world situations, such as the State Texas Fair. What understandings are desired with this lesson is that students will be able to understand that the rate of change and the slope is the price per ticket or the price per ride, and the y-intercept is the entrance fee. My essential questions are leveled, and so I will know the level of the student's knowledge and understanding before they leave by simply asking the following questions. Level 1, how does your graph represent a non-proportional relationship? That will let me know that they're still on a 6th grade level if that's all that they can answer. If they can't answer it, then I need to go back because there's something that they're missing. It's a visual. Level 2, what method would you use to justify the table values, the equation, as in a graph, as well as the points of the line? You should be able to take the equation, process it in the table with my x values as my input and the y values as the output, and just verify and justify that that equation and that table, they correlate, they correspond. Once you get that, you also have your points on the line. You can place those points on the line and ensure that your graph is according to your equation, your y-intercept and your slope, the slope-intercept form. So once you're able to do that, then you can say, oh, this all works together. It's a working piece. Level 3 is my highest level for any GT student or any student which is working an advanced level, which is how would you determine the maximum number of rides if you only had $80? Could be more, could be less, but if you only had $80, a student should be able to calculate that and determine I could have this many rides based on my y-intercept, based on my maximum value. I can only ride X number of rides. If I wanted to extend that, the level 3, I would then ask that student to create an inequality for or to represent such scenario, which will be greater than or less than, greater than or equal to, whichever they determine how they format the actual inequality. When we're all done, the students should be able to demonstrate that by using a multiple representation, which is shown in the slide next, which has the graph, the equation, the table, the points of the line, the mapping, determine your rate of change, determine your slope. It just has so much more for the students to actually represent.